Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to begin with the next topic in our writing skills, that is letter writing. Now, what do you mean by letter? A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. It is usually sent to the recipient via mail or post in an envelope, although this is not a requirement as such. Any such message that is transferred via post is a letter, a written conversation between two parties. Now, these are all what we are going to learn, that where to write the address or how to write the address, and what are the basic parts of a letter: salutation, then the address, complimentary clause, subscription, superscription, the heading, the salutation, the body of a letter, the subscription, the signature, and the superscription, and of course the address which will be on the envelope. Now, how to write a letter? Before beginning that, how many types of letters are there? Formal letter and informal letter. Now children, what do you mean by formal letter and what do you mean by informal letter? Formal letter, also known as business letters, they include the letters to and from the different business parties, offices, firms, institutions. They are very formal, and even writing to the principal of your school, to teacher, and should be very brief. It should be brief and should be very clear and to the point whenever you're writing a formal letter. And the form of the business letter is same like that of the social letter. Now, whenever you're mentioning or whenever you're writing to firm, to the principal of your school, the language should be strictly formal. And the salutation, always write down respected sir, madam, or dear sir. And the subscription will be yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours cordially, yours truly. Then coming to the informal type of letter, they are also known as the social letters. These include when you're writing a letter to your friend, or you're writing personal letters, or a sort of invitation, for example, to your uncle, aunt, to your father, mother, and the language is quite informal. And the address or the salutations can be by the prefix like dear, my dear friend, my dear father, my dear mother. And the subscription will be always your affectionately, your loving son, your sincerely yours. And usually we use a sincerely whenever we are writing a formal letter. Now this is a format of the formal letter, the address. And one thing you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are writing any letter, you have to begin everything from the margin. That is the address, to whom you are addressing, then your subject, then the body of the letter, and the subscription, and the signature. Subscription is yours sincerely as written. So usually yours sincerely we write down whenever we are writing a formal kind of letter. Now moving ahead to the format of the formal letter. See, these things you have to keep in your mind. The writer's address, that means who is writing the letter. then to whom you're writing the letter, and here you have to begin with the. For example, if you're writing letter to the principal of the school, the principal. If you're writing to the newspaper editor, the editor. So you have to begin with the, and then the address of it, followed by the subject, why you are writing letter, that also you need to mention, and then coming to the salutation. Now, as it is a formal letter, you'll begin with dear sir. Now see here, when you are writing to the known person. Now for example, if you are writing a letter to the principal of the school, you will always write down respected madam or sir. But if when you are knowing a certain person, then dear sir. This way you are supposed to write down. Then followed by the body of the letter. Now in the body of the letter, first paragraph, second paragraph, and then at the end, whatever you want to say or whatever you do, convey the message in short, and then followed by the subscription, and then the thanking you, and then subscription, yours sincerely. Then here, for example, is given as Sheetal Vyas. So whatever your name is there, you will be writing down. But when you're writing down in the examination, unless and until the name is given, you will never write down anybody's name. You will just write down X, Y, Z. When you're writing a real letter, at that time only you're supposed to write down the name. Or if in a case the exam it is given sometimes to whom you're addressing, at that time you may mention the name. Otherwise we write down X, Y, Z. Now moving ahead with the informal letter, again you have to begin with the margin, the address. In the address, address is incomplete without the date. Then afterwards, the salutation, dear father, dear mother, dear your, followed by the name of your friend, and then the body of the letter. And then usually we write down the words. These words: convey my regards to all family members, convey my regards to uncle or aunt. This way usually we write down whenever we are writing any informal kind of letter. Then here, your loving son, then your name. Again here also the same thing, whenever you are writing a real letter, at that time only we mention the name. Otherwise we write down X, Y, Z. Now coming to the format of the informal letter, everything will begin from the margin, then your writer's address, and then the date and all, then the salutation. Now here, dear or my dear or dearest friend. Then the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph means what? Here you're not going to write down the full paragraphs and all, but your introduction, then the content, and then the conclusion and all. So it is mentioned in this manner, and then the subscription, and afterwards followed by yours lovingly. See the difference, yours lovingly. Whenever you're writing down any informal letter, you will be writing down yours affectionately, yours lovingly, and sincerely we usually write down when we are writing a formal letter. And there are many kinds of writing the way of a letter or forming the informal letter, but the method or the format will always remain same. Begin with the margin, and then your name and address, then the salutation. But the date in every letter you're supposed to write down after you're writing the address. Date is mandatory, followed by the salutation, and then whatever you want to convey the message or whatever you write down, your feelings, and then the subscription, and then yours lovingly. For example, we said now that convey my regards to all in the family. In that way also you can write down and then at the end, yours lovingly, and there we mention in the formal letters thanking you, yours sincerely, or even you can add the lines like thanking you in anticipation. That means well in advance you're thanking for the work to be done for you. So usually we also use the words thanking you in anticipation. Now here a format is given of a letter. Just go through it. This is the formal kind of letter. Moving to the next example, we just go through the formats given here and how they had written a letter. Coming to the next example, this is a kind of informal form of letter. So here, dear friend, look at the format and then just go through the matter, what it is, and then see here thanking you, yours lovingly. In informal letter only we can use such words as yours lovingly, otherwise we use the words yours, yours sincerely. It is a format. Just go through this example, what how it is written, how is the content. I hope children that you all have understood the content very well. Thank you children. God bless you.